Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate quizzes for your sources in NotebookLM. So I'm in my notebook here and I want to be able to sort of check my understanding of different things. I can do that with flashcards or I can create a quiz based on either all of my sources or just a selection of them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the studio column on the right, click on the little edit pencil, and I'll get a little window that comes up. I can customize my quiz, fewer questions, standard number of questions, or more questions to make it more lengthy. And I can control the difficulty level of my quiz, easy, medium, or hard. And then, like with all of these artifacts that you can create in the studio, you can actually input your own suggestions for what you want to focus on, and then gear the quiz more towards that and say, let's say, I don't know, create a quiz that assesses my understanding of the main points and issues without getting too much into the details. So I click generate, and this could take a few minutes. So what I'll probably end up doing is pausing the recording and then picking up again when it's done. So now that the quiz is done, I'm just going to click on this and it opens up. Notice it enlarges that studio column just to make things a little bit more easy to read. And you can tell right away, this is the question 1 out of 9. Here is the first question. According to Dylan Kane's article, Don't Talk to Me About the Factory Model of Education, what is the primary flaw in using the factory model as a critique of modern schooling? It's a multiple choice question. You can even get a hint. Let's see, it is historically inaccurate metaphor, often used as a substitute for rigorous thinking. Yeah, that's right. And then just click next and you can get to the next question. Now, keep in mind, there's no way to really assign a quiz to any students if you're a teacher. But remember, what you can do is you can uh, attach a notebook to an assignment or a resource or a material in Google Classroom. That quiz would be there, and the students could work through it. There's no way to really grab their score for that. So this would be more of an informal check your understanding type situation where they do it, they don't do it, you don't really know. It's just a way for them to check. But still, what a great, fascinating tool to have available. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.